Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about how to attempt JEE Main 2024 question paper. The joint entrance exam is conducted by JEE Apex board on the behalf of NTA. The exam level is all India level. They offer the courses BE, BTech, B Architecture, B Planning, BSc Honors. The mode of conduction will be computer based test, pen and paper based for drawing section in B Architecture. The duration of exam will be 3 hours, 3.5 hours for both B Architecture and B Planning. The paper consists paper 1 for BE or BTech, paper 2A for B Architecture, paper 2B for B Planning. The total marks consist for BE or BTech is 300, for B Architecture is 400 and for B Planning is 400. The total question asked in BE or BTech is 90. For B Architecture is 82 and for B Planning is 105. The exam frequency is twice a year and the official website is jeemain.nta.nic.in. The total questions to be answered in BE or BTech is 75, for B Architecture is 77 and for B Planning is 100. The marking scheme of JEE Main exam is +4 for each correct response, -1 for each incorrect response, 0 for unattempted questions. The medium of paper is in 13 languages. Let's check the how to attempt JEE Main 2024 question paper to score 95 plus percentile. First, you need to allot 10 minutes for question paper reading time. Then decide which subject to attempt first among the three. Attempt easy questions first. For tricky questions, you need to check unit of measurements in the options, check the signs in the option, subtitle the values in the option, solve the question paper in phases. In the first phase, spend 2 minutes on each question and attempt ones that you are confident about. In the second phase, spend 3 to 4 minutes on each of the remaining questions which require calculations. You must also be familiar with the CBT mode of the exam. For this, NTA provides JEE Main mock test, which is the actual representation of the exam. The image shown is one such reference to how your question window will look like. Now let's discuss how to attempt JEE Main question paper. Once a system is allotted to you, the login window will look like the image added. Make sure that your name and photograph displayed is yours. In case of any discrepancies, contact your invigilator. Once you have logged in, the journal instruction window will open with all the important instructions to be read carefully and implemented. You will have a clock set at the server. The countdown timer on the screen will show you the remaining time to complete the exam. When the timer reaches 0, the examination will end by itself. On the right panel, you will see the questions palette, which will show you the status of each question using one of the symbols are shown here. After that, you can switch between any question at any point of time in the paper. You can also attempt any section of the paper first. The options, the change of the language is shown on the typed corner of your screen. In case of student जिन्होंने एग्जाम का लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश एंड उर्दू के अलावा चूज़ किया है, वो इस ऑप्शन से जाकर अपना लैंग्वेज सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. द अप एंड डाउन एरोज ऑन द टॉप राइट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन कैन बी यूज टू नेविगेट ऑन द टॉप एंड बॉटम ऑफ द क्वेश्चन विदाउट स्क्रॉलिंग. जब भी आप क्वेश्चन अटैम्प्ट कर रहे हो तो आपको कुछ और चीज़ों का भी ध्यान रखना होगा, जैसे कि सारे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स यहाँ पे मेंशन कर दिए जाएंगे. तो आपको एग्ज़ाम के टाइम भी मेक श्योर करना है कि आप ये सारी इंस्ट्रक्शंस ठीक से पढ़ रहे हो. The first question will appear on your screen, and if you are confident about your answer, then click on the save and next step. After that, the next question will be displayed on the screen. If a candidate is not confident about his or her answer, then he or she can select any question from the questions palette available on the right hand side of the screen. In case of any doubt, you can also click on the tab marked for review and next. This way you can review your answer later for those particular questions. Then student can navigate to any questions of their choice in section which they want to solve first. Let's check what is the meaning of color on the questions number. Gray color represent that you have not visited the question yet. Red color represent that you have not answered the question. Green color represent that you have answered the question. Purple color represent that you have not answered the question but have marked it for review. Purple with a green tick represent you have answered the question but marked it for review. Let's check the JEE Main Exam Day Guidelines 2024. You need to carry all the important documents: admit card, ID card, transparent ballpoint pen, additional passport size photograph. Then arrive at the JEE Main exam venue at least 30 minutes before the exam. You need to read all the instructions on the JEE question paper and response from truly. You do not have to carry any written material, calculator, electronic watches, paper, mobile phones, or any other device. Never answer questions based on guesswork as there is negative marking. You do not need to distract yourself or others by doing any gestures or engaging in any type of discussion. You will have to begin with simple questions to gain confidence and save time for the more difficult questions. Make sure to mark the answer save and next after selecting the correct answer. You do not have to jump the next question without saving the answer from the previous one. You do not have to forget to enter required details in attendance sheet. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.